What is up, Frazzell family? This is Brandon with Frazzell Guitars coming back at you here. And this is day 2 video. The Martin is all strung back up. The frets are all nice and polished. So here's how she sounds. What is up, Frazzell family? Brandon here with Frazzell Guitars. In the Frazzell Guitars workshop or shop here, we're fixing to rewire this Seymour Duncan pearly gate to the bridge position, and we're fixing to replace the switch because the switch is bad to this lovely 5-way. So yeah, I'll come back at you when all that is done. Well, family, we have finally got this pickup in, and I will tell you one thing: the wiring diagram that was suggested with this was absolutely garbage. Okay, I found a bare knuckle wiring diagram, and the bare knuckle is what I originally thought for the diagram, or what I really thought before I ever looked inside before I even looked up a diagram, is what I first thought in my head. Well, so anyway, I'm going at this diagram here, and I'm like, this diagram don't seem right. So anyway, I got to going through this diagram again here, and I found one with bare knuckle, and I'm like, yeah, that looks like I was originally thinking in my head. So let there be light, and I won't go through the whole switch, but yeah. So I wired it the first time, and I was getting no sound, and I was getting really frustrated. I'm like, this is exactly how the diagram shows it word for word, or part for part. And I'm like, this don't seem right. I'm like, this is, I think, how it should be. So I found another one, and I'm just like, woo! But now time to polish the frets out and to do a little cleany clean on the guitar and a setup. So I'll come back after that. Family, I'm working here on this custom shop Les Paul special. So aniline die. So we're going to go through a setup of this, and I'll show you this when I get done. So yeah. What's up, Frazzell family? I know I'm coming at you a little late today, but I've been hands down in some stuff. So this is what we've been working on today, and we've got it all cleaned up, looking nice with the setup. And we made a handmade bone knot from scratch because the old one was just unusable. So yeah, let me know what you think, Frazzell family. This is a custom shop Les Paul special that needed a little TLC. So it was previously taken for a setup, and they just didn't know how to set it up. So he brought it here to get reset back up and adjusted and all that stuff. So yeah. What is up, Frazzell family? This is Brandon here at Frazzell Guitars, and I look absolutely horrible. End of the day, been knocking stuff out. So I figured I'd give you a little sound demo. So, I'm not going to give a sound demo of the Blue Saraceno till the client comes and picks it up, just because I want to keep him waiting for it anxiously and stuff. So I want him to be surprised when he gets here. That way, so. But off a little bit, sorry, but so this is just through my practice. I got a test amp up here I keep around just to test things out, and little PV Blazer 158. But this thing sounds incredibly killer. I mean, I love this thing. I'm happy with how it turned out. So, it's got a great little tone. It's a great little amp. It's max. It's got a great tone. So we restringed one today, another. So yeah, so we got a little Schecter Platinum redone, restrung up. We got a few things knocked out. So ultimately, you seen in the earlier part of the video, what took the most time was the Blue Saraceno. Sandmick, I can't spit my words at the end of the day. But the Blue Saraceno took about the most time, and because it took about the most time, that was kind of one of those things. You know, the wiring diagram I looked at first was just not right. So I finally got another one that was right. I knew it already, but I always like to double check in my head, because sometimes, you know, different guitar. But we replaced the switch in that one. And then we set that up and gave it a good cleaning, polished the frets out on both of these guitars. And really, sometimes setups can be quick, and then sometimes setups can be quicker than others. And, you know, just really take your time on these pieces, and that's pretty much it. So... Be sure to like, subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all the above. Check us out at FrazzellGuitars.com. We're located at 228 Jane Trl, Danville, Kentucky. My name is Brandon Edwards. I'm the luthier here, And make sure you also check out the Fret Jobs every Tuesday at 10 a.m. live on Facebook and uploaded to YouTube right afterwards. So check out the Fret Job, and you all have a great rest of your night.